This type of table centre would be ideal for an outdoor function or a more casual wedding. The Banksias are very vibrant in colour. We're selecting sizes from those, have the beautiful lilies. Next to those, the leucadendrons, both longer and shorter in length. Sorting through those, gaining the sizes, looking at the lengths, the angles of the flowers. Here you've got a wooden box with half a brick of foam, which is lined with cellophane. Make sure when you do line any container that won't hold water, that your lining comes right up to the lip of the container. These are actually protea leaves, and they're being inserted in a stepping manner into the foam. Cutting on a good sharp angle, and this is creating a grouping of these nicely textured leaves. The layering effect, or stepping, is in fact quite traditional. The croton leaves, again cut on a nice sharp angle, are being placed on the other side of this base, and they'll also be grouped together. If you need any arching in the leaves, you can wire support. So take the wire through the centre vein, tight insertion, hairpin down, and you can either twist or parafilm, but do make sure that forked wire and the natural end of the stem are inserted into the foam. Otherwise the leaf will not be drinking. This gives you the manipulation to flow the leaves forward. Now the grass is being cut into small insertions, and this is giving another grouped area within the table centre base. Layering effect is taking place. So you now have 3 grouped areas within this table centre structure. Different textures, quite different between each one. So we're stepping up towards the centre, and now the larger Banksias, look at the sizes, choose carefully, cut on an angle, remove excess foliage, and insert. Now, with that Banksia being placed against the croton, the colour is flowing up the leaves into the vibrant colour. So another check for sizes, and we have that dimensional stepping placement. The lilies have the vibrance of colour, stamens removed and placed so you have the texture with the protea leaves behind to the much stronger texture of the Banksias, and then bringing the colour forward into the croton. Now I'm being selective with the lilies that are chosen. The previous one was not of good quality. That's those anthers on the stamens being removed. The buds will open in time, but it looks effective as it is now. So the buds are creating another texture in the design, and it steps down and forward. With grouped areas, you need to look at the table centre from all different angles.